This is the first snowfall of the year. Holy cow. Isn't this interesting to see the snow and whatever might be floating around here? My gosh. Here's one of our trees. Bushes. The house. Trees. We were just supposed to have mild flurries, but they were wrong. Really interesting to see this. And to tell you the truth, I don't know what snow and what other stuff is. I've taken lots of orb pictures. This certainly is interesting. I don't know how to slow it down. Oh my gosh. Wow. That was some rain mixed with snow. I just got really, really wet. I'm going to take this camera in before I do any damage to it.